Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today we are going to make one of the most popular and delicious street style snacks, that is aloo chop. Crispy on the outside and soft, spicy and flavorful on the inside. This snack is perfect for evening tea time or whenever you crave something tasty. In this video, I will show you a simple and easy method to make shop style aloo chop at home using basic ingredients. So let's get started with today's amazing recipe. To make shop style aloo chop, first prepare the batter. Take a bowl, add 500 grams of gram flour, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt. Before adding water, mix all the dry ingredients well. If the gram flour is old, sift it first to remove lumps. Now add water slowly and mix continuously until you get a smooth batter. When the batter becomes smooth, add a little refined oil. This helps give shine and smooth coating after frying. Mix well and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I am going to dry roast few ingredients. To prepare a flavorful spice mix for the potato filling, take a tempering pan, add 2 to 3 dried red chilies, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Dry roast the ingredients on medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes till you get a lovely aroma. Now turn off the stove, let the roasted ingredients cool completely and then grind them into a fine powder. Now let's prepare the potato filling. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add finely chopped 2 onions and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until lightly golden and the raw smell disappears. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Add finely chopped 3 green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cook on low flame for about 1 minute. Now I am going to add 3 large or 500 grams of boiled potatoes. I am just going to mash it with my hand like this and mix well on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes so the extra moisture dries up. This helps the chops hold their shape while frying. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black salt. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of prepared spice powder. Mix all together. Now turn off the stove and let the mixture cool completely. Just spread it on a plate so it cools faster like this. Sprinkle dry gram flour on plate and spread a little oil on your hands. After cooling for about 15 to 20 minutes, the potato mixture will be ready to shape into chops. Make small balls from the mixture and gently press them to give a chop shape. From 3 potatoes, You can make around 12 to 13 chops or 17 to 18 if you make them smaller. Now I am going to deep fry the aloo chops. Take a wide pan, add enough oil for frying. Once the oil is heat, dip each chop in the batter and gently add it to the hot oil. Fry until both sides turn golden and crispy. For this, you don't need baking soda or baking powder. The chops will puff up on their own. The chops are almost cooked. Take them out and strain the excess oil. The tasty aloo chops are ready to be served, nice and hot. And sprinkle a little chaat masala if you like. The chops will be crispy outside and perfectly cooked inside. It tastes even better with mayonnaise and sauces, especially as an evening snack. So do try this recipe and make your evening snack extra special and share with your family and friends. So for more interesting recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.